If you want to convert your Facebook profile into a business page, Facebook provides a way to transition your personal profile into a business page while retaining your existing followers. This process is helpful for business creators or anyone looking to use Facebook more professionally. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Then once inside the Facebook app, simply tap on the 3 dashboard option available in the bottom right corner of your screen to navigate to the menu option. Now, in the menu settings, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy, then on settings. Once inside the settings, scroll down and there tap on the privacy checkup option available there. Now inside privacy checkup, tap on the who can see what you share option available there. Once you tap on it again, continue with the process. Now here, turn everything to public or friends of friends. Now once you have completed doing this, then simply go back to the settings again. Now once you are back into the settings, scroll down and look for the profile and tagging option available there. Simply tap on it. So as you know, business pages are public, so you will need to change everything of profile or tagging to the public as well. So once you do so, go back to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, tap on the 3 dot option available right next to the edit profile. Then scroll down and tap on the turn on professional mode option available there. After you tap on the turn on professional mode, confirm it by tapping on the turn on again and follow the on-screen instructions to change your Facebook page to the business. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.